All right, so we got our first heart that we made with the shapes. There's a couple more ways that I want you to try this, just so you know all the options and learn more of the tools. All right, so this heart, minus the little bit of cleavage we have in the middle there, um, it's kind of like perfect and mechanical looking. I would give that to some people, but not to other people. It doesn't really express the warm, fuzzy feelings of love that I might want to express. So why don't we try to just draw one, right? If you come over here to the paintbrush, we got a paintbrush you can use, or if you hold it down, we have a pencil you can use. Let's take the pencil, and the pencil, I'm going to draw a heart. I'm really good at it. Look what happens when I let go. What I got is basically a path with a bunch of dots on it. If I look at it with the selection tool, it just looks like a line because it's a stroke. There's no fill, right? If I come over here and change the fill to a color, it's going to fill it in, and it automatically fills in this part where there's a gap. And instead of trying to match that up, I knew it would just do it for me. So I stopped there so I can just fill that in. So, it's kind of lumpy. Maybe not the best heart. We could try one with the paintbrush. And if I've already got the fill turned on, right, watch what happens. Oh, never mind, it didn't work. Oh, because look, the fill, see here? The fill automatically turned off again. That's why it didn't work. This is even a worse heart. If I select it, see how I stopped here and then I started again? It treats this as two separate things, right? So if I select it, it's going to select that half, or it's going to select this half. So if I fill it in, it's only going to fill in one half at a time. So I'm going to have a gap right here. Right, I select this one and fill it. Oh, because my heart is breaking. All right, so there you go. We can draw pretty substandard hearts. And let's face it, sometimes we all have a substandard heart. I want to show you one more type of tool, this pen tool. Right, the pen tool will draw a path. It's by clicking and clicking and clicking. And here, when I have the fill already set, it'll automatically fill it in for me. So that'll draw, that regular pen tool draws, as you can see, straight lines. But this one draws curved lines. Click, and if I pull it, it'll look straight, but then as I turn one way or the other, it turns the line. So I can do curve. The more I bend, the more it curves. And I'm running out of time. But so once you practice with this, you can get pretty good. And then it keeps doing it, that drives me a little bit crazy. But if you just come off and click on the selection tool, that'll stop. So I can take this one. And look, that's not bad. Right? That might be the winner right there. All right, so now you've got many more possibilities to draw the shapes you want to draw the way you want to draw them. Hope you like that. Practice it. We're going to take these hearts and make them into something next time we talk. All right, peace.